I wanted a program that had a really good combination of a lot of different rural rotations. I wanted to be able to be exposed to different practices and see what style would best fit what I wanted my future to be.
I wanted a career where I had endless opportunities to pursue different avenues, which family medicine is really great for that.
I have really enjoyed the wide scope of practice that we as rural family doctors get to train in.
The support that our program provides to us, whether they are personal or educational related, is second to none.
We just have a really direct line of communication between the program site directors and the program coordinators, and I honestly always feel really comfortable going to them with any concerns or any questions I have.
And I think that close relationship that you have with your administration and leadership team makes you feel safe and makes you feel supported. And I think it's incredibly important when you're in a program that pushes you and has a lot of independent learning. You need that flexibility and customization that kind of system allows.
It really feels like everyone's working for you to make sure that you have the most success, the most learning, and also the most fun in the program.
The low preceptor to student ratio is one of the highlights of the program, and it was something that I was shocked about when I compared it to my academic experience in medical school.
Often you are the only resident. It's not service-based training. It's really for your education as a resident.
And we get to get one-on-one training and feedback from these preceptors, which helps us become better family doctors in the future.
If there is anything that they believe is going to be valuable and beneficial to your learning, you are going to be included in that. You are the priority for that service, and you are the priority for that hospital.
You are able to build relationships not only with your preceptors, but also with the community that you're practicing in as well.
For me, another super important part of work-life balance is nature and the outdoors. Your access to Glacier National Park, Waterton Lakes National Park, Banff, Canmore, Central BC is second to none.
I think Southern Alberta is the most beautiful place on the planet. That's my honest opinion. I love Southern Alberta. It's so beautiful.
And so when you're looking at a residency program, you need to choose something that's going to train you well, because you have 2 years to learn a lot of medicine. And so you need to choose a program that really promotes independent learning, has really one-on-one kind of tailored to what your interests are. And without a doubt, this program is going to do that for you.